Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and you guys can see right here, alright, my mapper is really messy. I have my laptop charger over here, I have my phone charger over here, my smartwatch charger, alright, my earpiece charger, alright, and as well as my iPhone charger right over here. And there's a lot of different chargers over here. It turns the table into really messy and super untidy, and it's not pleasant looking at all. Well, there is a solution to fix all of this mess, and you guys can eliminate all of this huge charging brick, alright, with the help of this right here. So this is the Joyroom PODIX, alright, and this is a 5-in-1 140 watts charger right over here, which is really amazing. And you guys can get rid of all the rest of the charging you need, and just one of these can charge up all of the devices you need, and you don't need, you know, one charger for one device. Alright, so this is really interesting, and I am gonna to unbox this and see what we get inside the box first. So let me just get the tape out, and let me just take this thing out. Okay, so we get everything out of the way, and let's see what we get. So we get a quick start guide, alright, how you guys can get started up. Alright, just put this aside. Well, this is the charger right over here. We're gonna put it aside first. Alright, we have a magnetic stand. Oh, okay, magnetic stand with a sticky pad below, so you guys can stick it on this surface to keep it in place. Alright, we have a mat over here, very nice rubbery mat. Alright, you guys can see. Alright, yeah, it's pretty rubbery. Alright, and we have a power plug over here, alright, to power up this charging device. And this is pretty much what we get inside the box. Yep, this is what we get. Alright, and let's put everything aside first and see this charger in action. So, and yeah, this is the little cube right over here. Look at how cute it is, alright. It's pretty small compared to my hand. And yeah, it looks really nice. We have a port inside here, so there's for the power in. Alright, and the rest looks really nice. On top, we have two retractable USB-C cables over here, and this whole thing can deliver up to 140 watts, so you can basically charge your laptop as well. And there's a screen over here that you can show, you know, the wattage, the voltage of each individual device being charged. And they have a lot of awesome technologies built into here as well. They have GAN charger as well, which regulate voltage and ampere, alright, to make sure, you know, evenly all the devices have you know, the power is delivered evenly across all devices, to ensure that, you know, not all devices are receiving too much power, or like, you know, if you're charging an earpiece, you will not like push 140 watts to a earpiece, right, or a smartwatch. So, you know, it's able to regulate it well, and it can keep the temperature low, and it's a really safe way to charge your devices, and don't have to worry about any fire hazard or overheating, which is really amazing about this part over here. And the cables that is retractable can retract up to you know, and can basically stop at any length you want. You guys can see, alright, you guys can stop at any length you want, and it's pretty long as well. Okay, let's just pull all the way. Okay, I think this is the max. Look at how long this thing is. Alright, both cables are about the same length, or I think it's the same length. Just pull this all the way. Yep, it's the same length. So you guys can see, and once you pull it back, retracted back into the spot itself. So, you know, it keeps the table neat, and when you need to charge something, you know, you just have to like pull it up and charge your phone, and once you're done, just pull it again, alright, and then you boom, go back in to its spot. Really neat cable right over here, right? So you don't have to need extra cables or anything, right? There's already two cables built into here. But if you want to charge more devices, they have USB-A ports over here and the USB-C ports over here, where you can connect your own cable to it. Alright, and the base is a magnetic base, so basically you guys can just put it here. Alright, so you guys can put it in this orientation, alright, which is the straight up orientation. You guys can see right over here, or you can put it at a side orientation if you like to, or even this side of orientation if you want to. So if you have any orientation you guys can want to put it on, alright, there's no limit to that. If this is much convenient for you, you guys can obviously put it this way, alright, so you can put it in any orientation you want, so it just sits nicely in the base itself. So right now we're gonna do some charging tests. So I'm gonna just plug this in, alright, and you guys can see, alright, it is turning on. Ah, look at that. Look at how cute it is. Alright, the face came out. Look at how awesome this thing is. Okay, with just one cable, alright, you guys can charge multiple devices at once. So let me just bring up a few devices for me to charge. And each cable here is capable of pushing up to 100 watts. So I have a few devices here. This one can support up to 67 watts. So let's see how good it charges this at. Let's pull one cable out and go charge my phone with that. Alright, you guys can see. Alright, it is charging at a super charging speed, which is really impressive. You guys can see it's charging my phone really fast. And let me just pull this cable all the way out. Alright, and you guys can see over here. Alright, if you were to go to turn on this one, alright, you guys can see alright how much wattage is pushing out right now. So it's slowly increasing. Alright, slowly you guys can see the wattage going up. Alright, you guys can see every details of the ampere, the voltage and everything, which is really cool. So you can see in detail how much is going at. Alright, and if you guys want the face, you guys can choose the face itself. So it's really cool. And you guys can see like how much is pushing out. Alright, how much wattage is going in. So it's really cool. Alright, so right now I'm charging one of my phones right here. Let me just pull another cable out to maybe charge. This is my microphone, so let's just plug that into here. Alright, and you guys can see. Alright, this is the individual wattage. Alright, you guys can see it's coming out of this. You can see the total wattage. Alright, what is the each phone is the total wattage that's being pushed out to each devices. Alright, all the ampere. Alright, all this and there, you guys can see all the details right over here. Very nice. Alright, and well, if I still want to charge maybe my iPhone, alright, and there's no more cables over here, well, I can plug in a USB-A cable for my iPhone charger right to here. Okay, and then this to my iPhone itself. So I'm not charging 3 devices at once. So I'm charging my iPhone together. Alright, you guys can see charging my iPhone right here. Okay, and well, it gets a bit messy right now because if I were to hide this cable itself, alright, so it should sit like that on the desk itself, alright, with all the cables coming out. But when you're done charging one devices, for example, I'm done charging my phone, well, let me just retract this thing back and bam, okay, so one less clutter over here. Alright, maybe let me just put this down so it just looks neater on the desk itself so you guys can see. Alright, so this is actually how it will looks like on the desk itself. So yeah, like that. And so okay, maybe I'm done with this one. Well, let me just unplug that. Okay, and let's retract it back. And okay, so now one less cable, and probably I'm done with this charging my iPhone. Plug that out, and this is how neat the table gets. So just one charger instead of like so many different bricks, all this, or one bricks for one thing, or for one devices. Well, you just need to have one of this, and then you guys can charge 5 devices all at once, including your laptop as well. So just one of these on the table can keep your whole desk so clean with just this little guy over here. So yeah, if you're out there looking for this, alright, GAN charger right here, this fine 140 watts charger right over here, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now and start eliminating all the messy cables and all the bricks on your cable right here. And one of the best part I forgot to mention is, like, let's say if you have a wall socket, okay, like probably like maybe have like 2 wall socket, or for example, even just 1 wall socket, alright, and you have so many plugs, all this and that, alright, so many plugs, so many adapters, alright, you have 5 devices, you need like a socket with like 5 sockets. So if you don't have enough, alright, and you have to like unplug and then plug the socket to charge certain devices, so it's very not justifiable, right? So with just using up 1 socket, alright, to power this thing, you guys can also charge up 5 devices at once instead of using up 5 sockets. So you can use the other sockets for other things as well, like your room light, your fans, your sound system, or whatever you want the socket to be used for. So you can save out on the socket as well, which is one of the things that a lot of people never talk about as well. So it's really incredible. So if you are out there looking for a thing that you can save space, alright, on sockets, and as well as charge many devices at once, saving up the clutter pictures of the messy desk with all those cables around, all right? And yeah, you guys can check out this, all right, PODIX, all right, right over here, the 140 walks right over here. And one of the best part I really love about this is the retractable cable. Just keep the table so neat, and you don't have to worry about finding your cables or missing cables, because that cable came with the charger itself, and there's not a lot of charger out there that comes with a cable built in, which is really incredible. All right, one of the main thing that I always have issue with is finding the cable to plug into those thing, and I always cannot find my cable. So it's really annoying feature. And when this is built into here, I don't have to find it. I just need to know where this device is, pull it out, and just charge my things. I don't have to worry about finding it, which is one of the best part about this thing right over here. So once again, you guys check out this Joyroom PODIX, all right, desk charger. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for the guys. Found this video really interesting and really helpful. Let me know in the comment section as well. And you guys want me to review more products like this in the future, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Cry.